Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. You also get the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's speed limit recognition, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox that's done less than 24,500 miles. It's also got full service history. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.